Amy! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to present to you my newest series on my channel. So if you don't know already, I have a Sewing 101 series where I show beginners how to sew different techniques, like different zipper techniques and different stitches. So in this series, this will be a series for solutions to little problems you have with your clothing. So for example, say you buy a pair of pants and it's too long and you need a solution. I'll be showing you how to hem your pants, or say you get a rip on your shirt, like a specific shirt or anything. I'll show you a solution for that. Just if you have any requests on everyday like little problems you come across with on your clothing, write in the comments and I'll do a video for you. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a broken zipper on a pair of pants. I think that's like a really common issue that comes up with clothing, are broken zippers. So in this video, I show you how to replace a zipper on a pair of slacks. And it should work the same way on a pair of jeans. It might be a little like tougher because the material's thicker and you're gonna need a denim needle, but the technique should be exactly the same. If you come across trying to do it on a pair of jeans and you feel like it's different, send me a comment and I'll do it on a pair of jeans as well. Comment below the issues you come across with in your clothing. The only thing you'll need is your pair of pants with your broken zipper and a brand new zipper. Of course, your sewing machine and some sewing notions. And you're all set, so let's get started. So here's the problem with the zipper. It came out of line. I even tried positioning the zipper stopper higher so that the separating was below it, but it came back, so now it needs a replacement. Take your seam ripper and start by seam ripping the zipper out very carefully. You're going to have to seam rip it off from the waistband and from the zipper fly. You're even going to have to seam rip the top stitch that was done on the zipper fly. Here I put some pins to keep the fly facing with the pants so we don't lose its place. So here is the old, janky, messed up zipper. Get rid of it. And get the new one out. Ooh, nice and neat. Now position the zipper the same place where you seam ripped the old one. Put some pins in it to keep it in place. When it's all pinned, zip it up to make sure everything is aligned with no bumps. With matching thread, of course, start by sewing the zipper with the waistband. Replace your presser foot with the zipper foot. Now sew the zipper with the fly facing. To sew the other side of the zipper, you're going to sew only the zipper with the facing, not the front. After sewing that, tuck in the top of the zipper with the facing inside the waistband and top stitch. Now, with the zipper open and the other side put to the side, top stitch following the original stitch line. Sew as far as you can go without catching other layers. To finish the rest of the top stitch, close the zipper and sew through the layers for the small curve to finish. And now you got yourself a brand new zipper on your pants. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up if you like to see more Crafty Solutions episodes, and I can't wait to post some more. If you like to follow me on my Instagram to see my latest updates, you can follow me at CraftyAmy, and if you have Facebook, you can follow me at CraftyAmy93. Thank you so much for watching!